I know you can draw this, but can you draw this? When f of x transforms to modulus of f of x, then we have to take the image of negative part of f of x and the x-axis as a plane mirror. For example, when y equal to modulus of x square minus 2x minus 1. Now draw the function. Take the negative part of x square minus 2x minus 1 and use x-axis as a plane mirror. Now when y equal to modulus of e raised to power x minus 2, then we have to shift the graph of e raised to power x 2 unit downward, and after that take the image of negative part of e raised to power x minus 2 and use x-axis as a plane mirror. If you don't know how to shift the graph, then watch the previous video, link in the description. When f of x transform to f of modulus x, then we have to neglect the curve for x less than 0 and take the image for x greater than 0 about y-axis. For example, y equal to modulus x square minus 2 modulus x minus 1. Then the graph of y equal to x square minus 2x minus 1 is, neglect the curve for x less than 0 and take the image for x greater than equal to 0 about y-axis. Now if the given function is y equal to e raised to power modulus x minus 2, then we have to plot the graph of e raised to power x and neglect the curve for x less than 0 and take the image about y-axis for x greater than 0 and shift the graph 2 unit downward. Now what if we have to transform f of x to modulus of f of modulus x? Then first transform f of x to f of modulus x, and after that transform f of modulus x to modulus of f of modulus x. For example, y equal to modulus of modulus x square minus 2 modulus x minus 1. Then first draw y equal to x square minus 2x minus 1. And after that neglect the left hand side graph and take the image of right hand side using y-axis as a plane mirror. Now take the image of the part below x-axis, and this is our answer. Similarly, you can draw y equal to modulus of e raised to power modulus x minus 2. Here, we have to neglect the portion of the graph which lies below x-axis, and we have to reflect the above part about x-axis. For example, modulus of y equal to x square minus 2x minus 3. Now neglect the portion below x-axis and reflect the above part. Let's draw modulus of x plus modulus of y equal to a. So modulus of y equal to a minus modulus x. Now draw y equal to a minus x. Now neglect this and take its image, we get y equal to a minus modulus x. Now neglect this and take image of this, and this is the graph of modulus x plus modulus y equal to a. We know that the graph of sine inverse x is this. For the graph of sine inverse modulus x, we have to neglect the curve for x less than 0 and take the image for x greater than equal to 0 about y-axis. Now when we add 2, the graph of sine inverse modulus x shift 2 unit upward. Sine inverse modulus x plus 2 is always greater than 0, so the graph of this function is this. In the next video, we are going to learn how we can draw complex piecewise function. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you never miss this beautiful animated course.